Listen, when you're in the city, man, you have noise, you have light, you have all these different distractions. It's all coming at you in all these different angles. It beats you up. And you need some sort of escape to keep going in that environment. I've worked in so many creative fields, art direction, graphic design, clothing design. I have so many different things that I'm doing. I have so many different ideas that I want to bring to life. When I'm out there, I'm being inspired and I'm creating a new story for myself. When I don't ride for a long time, I feel like something's missing. And when I get on the bike, something clicks in me. I come back with a different enthusiasm and I have more ideas as well. Coming from the sport bike world, we kind of like judge Harleys, you know what I'm saying, based on like what they look like and the people who are riding them. And I was that person. I just didn't know what that world was like. Everything that I'm doing on the bike, I'm like the most alive during those moments, and I'm seeing it from the outside. That's like action for me. Like I'm starring in my own movie. You know, you harness this machine and navigate through this concrete jungle. Like that's real energy right there. That's power. That to me is just like poetry in motion.